So I got something new for the front. I'm going to be dremeling out a little bit of a hole right here, and I'm going to do these toe straps for the front and the back. So I picked this up from Harbor Freight, and it's a little bit of a rotary tool, and I bought these little saw blades. In total, maybe I'd say around 35 bucks. So you're for sure gonna use this again. So I just bought the whole kit. I need to cut just a little bit more. As you can see, it's kind of clean, but this little area right here needs to definitely cut more. So I got the general cut. It's not completely even, so I put it back on here, and I'm gonna try and cut and make it more straight. So the tape kind of measured just enough, so I took it off, and I'm just gonna try and just make this cut more even. There you have it. So now I'm gonna do the rear. And that is all done. So the E92 is all cleaned up. Pretty pleased with how these toe straps came out. Kind of messed up on the cutting a little bit, but you don't really notice too much. But yeah, it's nice to see both of these cars out at the same time.